This is a Wheelock test. Yeah, he's silencing it right now. This is a Faraday Inc. pull station single action. We have a Wheelock AS, right?
Yep, that is correct.
Wheelock AS.
Actually, you're looking at the HS4.
Oh, HS4.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right there, as said. And so we're going to pull the alarm. It's on low with 110 candela, so that's very bright.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to look at it, so. Yep. Wow, that is bright. So now, acknowledge, alarm silence, and reset. So now we're going to do it once with the lights off.
There you go. Go for
it.
Oh, no.
Lights. Oh, gosh. Here we go. Oh, gosh. It lights up the whole room.
Yeah.
Oh, whoops. I pressed 1.
That's okay. There you go.
Reset.
You got it.
Look it up.
That is our demonstration, but yeah.
Wow.
Like you're looking at this black
picture
all the time, it just goes
exactly, yeah.
Should I tell like on my